guys, today I'm going to show you something I got from Mexico that's like a Mexican top. And here it is. Oh yeah, here's a close-up at its string. Like that. So yeah, and includes a string. So see this hole right here? I'll see it from the back side, but I'm going to put it through this hole and then pull it back out. Like that much. And then I'll spin it like that until this part reaches like right there. Like that. And then see this part is right there that I'm holding? You're gonna pull it. Man, I fail. This is really hard to use. That's why I have a bunch of fails. In the last video, I had like 3 fails in a row. So I had to delete that one. Like, from my photo album, I didn't upload it to YouTube yet. So that's how I mean by delete it. So you do this. Yes, it works. If you think it's gonna hit the camera, it's okay, it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Mexico and buy these. I'll show you which part of Mexico you can buy it right now because the globe's right behind the camera. I'll show you after I stop spinning. You have to wait like 3 hours until it stops spinning. Okay, there we go. Now we'll show you the globe, or where you can get it, or which part of Mexico you can get it. So, I live right there in Portland, or right there. And then in Mexico, you have to get it like right there. Right there. So, yeah. Or you can also get it somewhere in Spain. Spain is somewhere over here, but I won't find it now because all of these names are in the way. So, see these right there. Yeah, those are a bunch of names. I'm not going to read all of them right now. That's why I won't find Spain. But I do know it's in Europe. Somewhere. People say that Asia is the biggest continent, but it's actually not because Russia is a huge country, and I think it's part of Europe. So I think like all of these or all of this is Europe. So that's how I think Europe is the biggest country. I'll show you a better one, a better view of it on this map. It's like, this is where I can get it, like right there. Or no, right there actually. Right in that area you can get that kind of Mexican top. At least it's from Mexico, not from the United States. But it's kind of good actually, because you can like sleep in the car, which I've never done before, or sleep in the airplane. Whichever one, it's pretty good. Because I've never slept in an airplane before. So, see ya. No, see ya.